As a Jamaican, I am very disturbed by this news. A 71-year-old Jamaican man who was visiting Jamaica died on Wednesday at the Donald Sangster Airport. Reports say that Mr. Leroy Smith was returning to the United States after visiting his family when he collapsed at the baggage counter and later died. According to a female passenger who witnessed the incident, it took more than 20 minutes for a nurse or official at the airport to arrive and assist the ailing passenger who had fallen and hit his head. She said the situation worsened when an official finally arrived. The official stated that the family would need to pay $400 USD for an ambulance to move him. The official explained that the only ambulance at Cornwall Regional Hospital was unavailable and a private ambulance would cost $400 USD. Mr. Smith sadly died while lying on the floor. The idea that someone could be left without immediate help due to financial concerns, especially in a critical situation like this, is deeply concerning. In an emergency, the priority should always be to save lives, not to focus on payments. The delay in assistance and the request for money in such a dire moment highlights serious issues within the healthcare and emergency response system. It raises questions about the protocols in place for handling medical emergencies at the airport and the availability of essential services like ambulances. Travel insurance is a crucial safeguard for any international traveler, offering protection against unexpected medical emergencies, including accidents and illnesses. It typically covers a range of expenses such as emergency medical treatments, ambulance services, hospital stays, and even evacuation if necessary.